Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I wish you all a happy 2022. I hope you had a good start to your year so far. And today I want to show you what I ate on the first day of the year, this delicious sweet potato soup. You want to start out by cutting your leek into rings. Obviously you want to clean it well so you don't have any dirt on it anymore, and you want to put it in a large pot with some vegetable oil, and you want to give it a quick mix and then just let that sit on medium heat and get a little bit toasty. Meanwhile, you want to go ahead and peel your sweet potatoes and then start cutting them into quite small pieces. You want to cut them quite small so you don't have to cook the soup for too long to get the right texture for this soup. So just quite small little pieces for that. And then you also want to cut down some ginger. The recipe said you could grate it, but I never did that, so I just cut it down very small. And then you want to add that to the leek, the sweet potato, the ginger, and the water. All the exact measurements are down below. And you also want to add the vegetable stock, and then you want to give it a good mix, bring that to a boil, and let it boil for 10 minutes. Next up, you want to cut down a medium-sized onion. You don't want to cut it down too small, so just chop it like that. And you also want to cut down some more ginger. Again, I used the same technique. You can't see it so well here, but it's basically what I just did. And you want to heat up some oil in a small pan, and when that is completely heated up, you want to throw in your onion and the ginger. And this doesn't really need a lot of time. You want to just fry it for a couple of minutes until you are happy with the color. Then you want to also cut down some nuts. You can use whatever you like. I used cashews because I like them. You can also use peanuts. Didn't have any of those anymore, so cashews were fine. And you also want to get the peel of one lime. And you want to mix that with the nuts. Now your soup should be ready, and you can go ahead and puree it. And you want to be very thorough with that, so you don't have any stray leek pieces in your soup in the end. So just make sure everything is very smooth. Now you want to add the soy, what's it called? Soy sauce, the peanut butter, and the maple syrup. And you want to give that a good mix and decide what else you want to use. I also used the juice of the lime, and then I used some nutmeg and some cinnamon with it as well. And then you just want to give that all a good mix so the flavors combine nicely and you're ready to enjoy the soup. So you want to get some of the soup on your plate, just like that. You can see how smooth the texture is here. Then you want to get a spoon, get about a spoonful of the onion mixture and a spoonful of the lime nut mixture. And this really tastes good. I know it seems a bit extra with the toppings, but it is very delicious, and I would recommend you do the toppings as well because it's part of the soup and the recipe. So yeah, that was my first meal of the year. What did you eat? And yeah, I will talk to you soon. Bye!